To deeply understand the various types of farm records, how they differ, what data they capture, how they're used in everyday operations, and how they influence decisions in modern agribusiness. The aim is to help learners identify, create, manage, and use the right types of records to boost productivity, accountability, traceability, and financial sustainability. Farm records are the backbone of professional and profitable farm management. They form the documentary evidence of all farm activities, inputs, outputs, and financials. Understanding the different categories of records ensures that a farmer can track the full cycle of operations, make informed decisions, meet regulatory requirements, and secure funding or investment. Farm records can be broadly classified into the following types. First, production records. These detail all the activities directly involved in crop or livestock production. They help track the use of inputs, monitor progress, and assess yields. Examples: planting records, date of planting, variety, field location. Fertilizer and pesticide use records, type, amount, date applied, effectiveness. Harvest records, quantity harvested, quality, losses, storage details. Livestock production records, birth dates, weight gain, health treatments, feed intake, breeding dates, and outcomes. Uses: helps calculate productivity and yield trends. Aids in planning and forecasting. Crucial for detecting diseases or pest outbreaks early. Ensures compliance with organic or GAP, Good Agricultural Practices standards. Second, inventory records. Inventory records track all physical items on the farm, such as inputs, tools, equipment, produce, and animals. This includes both consumables and fixed assets. Types: period, input inventory, seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, feed, fuel. Asset inventory, tractors, irrigation systems, storage equipment, greenhouses. Produce inventory, harvested produce in storage, quantity available for sale or processing. Livestock inventory, total stock, births, deaths, sales, transfers. Uses: prevents overstocking or understocking. Tracks asset depreciation and maintenance needs. Controls wastage, theft, or misuse. Facilitates insurance and audits. 3. Financial records. Financial records provide a clear picture of farm profitability, cash flow, income and expenditure, and overall financial health. They are essential for tax reporting, applying for loans or grants, and business planning. Types: period, sales and revenue records, expense records, input costs, wages, transport, repairs. Cash flow statements, profit and loss accounts, balance sheets. Uses: determine net profit or loss. Evaluate cost efficiency of various activities. Make informed investment or borrowing decisions. Build financial credibility with banks or investors. Fourth, labor and human resource records. Human resource records capture data about staff and labor activities. Labor is one of the most significant cost areas in agriculture, and poor management leads to inefficiency or financial drain. Includes employee attendance, task schedules, payment and wage records, safety and health records, training logs. Uses: tracks productivity and performance, prevents labor disputes, ensures proper wage compliance, supports labor budgeting and planning. 5. Weather and environmental records. Agricultural production is heavily weather dependent. Keeping environmental records helps in analyzing how conditions impact yields and guides seasonal planning. Includes daily temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed and direction, pest and disease outbreak notes, soil test results. Uses: enables climate-smart farming, guides irrigation and fertilizer scheduling, assists in predicting risk and yield, supports adaptation planning. 6. Marketing and sales records. These track how produce is moved to market, in what quantities, at what price, and through which channels. Includes quantity and price sold, buyer information, transportation records, sales invoices and receipts, packaging and labeling records, uses, assess market performance, optimize pricing and sales channels, identify customer preferences, guide future production planning, regulatory and compliance records. Especially important for export, organic farming, or high-value markets, these demonstrate compliance with industry or government standards. Includes DOT, certificates, organic, GAP, HACCP, veterinary or phytosanitary documents, input purchase receipts, tax compliance documents, inspection reports, uses, gain access to premium markets, pass audits and inspections, minimize legal risks. Summary table, types of farm records. We will have a table with 3 columns: record type, focus area, and primary use. 1. Production. Inputs, crops, livestock. Planning, traceability, forecasting. 2nd, inventory. Inputs, assets, produce. Stock control, asset tracking. 3rd, financial. Income, expenses, cash flow. Profitability analysis, financial planning. Quart labor, workers and tasks. Performance tracking, wage management. 5th, environmental, weather, soil, climate. Risk mitigation, timing, adaptation. 6th, marketing, sales, distribution, pricing, demand forecasting. 7. Compliance, certification, legality, access to premium markets, reduce legal risk.